In this video, I'm going to show you how to link Google AdSense to YouTube channel. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open your YouTube Studio on your browser. You can also open the app on your mobile device. Now make sure that you're signed in into your Google account where your YouTube channel is located. Now in here, go ahead and head over to the Earn section. So you'll find this at the sidebar. Click on the Earn button. And as you can see in here, the earning journey for my channel isn't yet unlocked. But if you have unlocked this section, you'll be able to find the monetize section instead of the Earn section. Now, to be able to get your channel monetized, here are some of the requirements that they have to be able to have your channel monetized. Now, once your channel is monetized, you'll be able to find that connect to Google AdSense option in the monetize section. So make sure that you connect your Google AdSense account to your YouTube Studio account to be able to keep track of your earnings and manage the apps that pops on your channel on YouTube. And that is how you can simply link your Google AdSense to your YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.